Don't we all love a sugary snack here and there? But these days people are talking about sugar-free diets and sugar substitutes. Well, we'll dive into this topic today. Hello everybody, this is Isha Lall, your holistic wellness coach, and today in this topic I want to make clear that not all sugars are bad, not all sugars are created equal, and are sugar substitutes better than regular sugar? Let us understand what is sugar. Sugar is a part of carbohydrate, and carbohydrates are essential for providing us energy. Not all sugars are good, but sucrose, which is a simple sugar, gives us instant energy, and sometimes it increases our blood sugar levels as well. And hence a lot of people say adding simple sugars to your diet or taking table sugar is not good for your health, which is absolutely correct. But what about sugars present in fruits, grains, and other natural sources? As I said before, sugar inherently is not bad for you. It is essential for your body. Your body runs on carbohydrates. When sugar is coming from the sources like fruits, milk, or grains, it is also coming with added minerals and vitamins essential for your cells, tissues, and organs. Not just this, it is also coming with prebiotics, which is good for your gut microbiome to feed on and give you energy and keep your gut also healthy. But when you're consuming sugar which gives you instant energy like table sugar, it also raises blood sugar levels, sometimes high blood pressure, and it comes with added diseases like diabetes. But what is the science behind artificial sweeteners or sugar substitutes? Well, we know that sugar is addictive in nature. It acts like cocaine to your brain. When you consume sugar, you want to consume more of it. But when you consume artificial sweeteners or sugar substitutes, they do not primarily contain sugar. Also understand that they do not come with added benefits of vitamins and minerals which come from natural sources of sugar. Let me help you understand 3 different types of artificial sweeteners or sugar substitutes. Number 1 is artificial sweeteners or non-nutritive sweeteners. As the name suggests, they don't contain any nutrition. They don't have any calories like sugars, but they also do not come with any antioxidants or vitamins or added minerals. They are purely created in the lab, and because of this reason, they can be 200 to 500 times more sweet than your regular sugar. But does that mean it is healthy? A lot of people started consuming artificial sweeteners to keep their health in check. If you are diabetic, you might have been tempted to take an artificial sweetener. But research says a lot of these artificial sweeteners pose threat to your health. Like it could cause obesity in long run, it could cause damage to your organs, it could lead to cancer, it could also pose a threat to your heart. If you read the names like aspartame, neotame, saccharin, sucralose, they are all artificial sweeteners approved by FDA. But I would still recommend that consumption of these artificial sweeteners should be minimal for your overall health. Now, if you're consuming sugar-free chocolate, read the label. Does it have erythritol or lactitol, malitol, or any OL at the end? That means that's sugar alcohol. Again, it's a sugar substitute. It doesn't have any calories. It is purely prepared in the laboratories or manufactured in the factories. But the disadvantage of having sugar alcohols is that it disrupts the gut. It causes GI issues, bloating, flatulence, gut irritation. If you have sensitive stomach and if you do not want any further damage to your body, stop consuming sugar alcohols as well. In the last category of sugar substitutes is novel sweeteners, which are derived primarily from the plant, and they are also very low in calories or almost zero in calories. You must have heard name like stevia or monk fruit. They both are derived from plant and taste very similar to regular sugar. They are mildly processed but mostly very natural. So it's safe to consume because they do not spike up your blood sugar levels. Again, very crucial for you to understand whether your body is adapting well to these sugars or not. Should I completely cut sugar from my diet? Well, the answer is no. When you cut down sugar completely from your diet, and I'm here talking about natural sugars from the carbohydrates, grains, fruits, and if you consume milk products. If you cut down those sugars, then your body becomes reliant on alternative forms, or it starts consuming something from its own self, like ketone bodies which are produced in the liver, and hence your body feels that it is in a starvation mode, because carbohydrates are a major source of energy to your body. And when your body goes into starvation mode, you might feel symptoms like headache, brain fog, sometimes nausea as well. And for some people, it also leads to keto flu, which has similar symptoms because your body is more reliant on other sources of energy. So what are some smart and sweet ways to stay healthy? Number one, if you absolutely are reliant on sweeteners, what you can do is you can do a mix of sugar and stevia. When I talk about sugar, I'm talking about less processed sugar like palm sugar or coconut sugar. Number two, do not be reliant on processed sugars. Cut them from your diet completely. Number three, try to have whole grains, try to have fruits and good fiber in your diet. That will keep you full and nourished. Whenever your body is lacking vital nutrients, that is when you crave for sugars or something extremely salty. Last but not the least, if you are craving for sugar, go for dark chocolates, but not something which is with added sugar alcohol, but something which is with dates. Dates are a perfect sugar substitute. Have you been consuming any of these artificial sweeteners or sugar substitutes? If you have, let us know in the comments below and try to stay healthy with right sugars.